Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered, what's up there? Curiosity about the cosmos has transcended cultures and is a trait that makes us distinctly human. In this mini-series, we'll be looking at the basics of some of the most relevant topics in astronomy and physics, but before we start asking questions about the complexity of black holes, relativity, or the Big Bang itself, we need to take a step backwards and ask what science is and what it isn't. It is a way of thinking that tests our best ideas about how things work by observing them and testing them. Theories are what we believe to be objectively true and are backed by evidence and rationale. When people first started looking up at the night sky, it was believed that the Earth was the center of all things and that humanity was distinctly special in some way. The idea that the Earth was motionless and the stars in the night sky were the only objects moving was apparent. The idea that cosmic phenomena were signs from a higher power seemed plausible and fulfilled our natural tendency to want to explain what's going on around us. People thought this way because there wasn't a system in place to make them think otherwise. There wasn't modern science. As science and technology developed, we learned that there are billions of other stars and galaxies, and the Earth is not the center of the solar system. And there are even plenty of other Earth-like planets throughout the universe, possibly harboring life. We've also learned that humanity is incredibly small and seemingly insignificant in the grand scheme of the cosmos, and the cosmos itself is inconceivably large. But what is astronomy? Is it the study of things in the sky? Well, sort of. Astronomers collect data about the cosmos and form theories about how it all works. But they aren't the only ones involved in an attempt to further humanity's understanding of the cosmos. Other professions, such as computer programmers, engineers, geologists, chemists, and many more, all have a stake in helping us to understand the inner workings of the universe. Maybe those professions aren't technically studying the sky, but the interplay of other sciences helps us to understand astronomical phenomena better. As science and technology grows, so does our definition of what astronomy is. But why is astronomy important? Why spend money up there when we could be spending it down here on Earth? When ancient people studied the night sky, one of their biggest reasons was curiosity. But even those civilizations eventually found some practical uses for it, such as calendar making and to be able to tell what time of day it was. Today we study the cosmos because we're curious, but we also realize the practical applications as well. Your cell phone, GPS, and even the technology that is used to detect tumors in your body all use technology that was developed for the purposes of understanding the cosmos. Not to mention, but when the asteroid is headed towards the Earth, it's better that we know about it well ahead of time, all of which can't be achieved unless we invest into astronomy. Astronomy is a huge topic that encompasses many different disciplines with the idea of wanting to understand the universe better. We may never be able to understand all the secrets of the cosmos, but it's worth trying. Will you continue to explore the universe with us?